Hello everyone, this video is about my very first live options trade. As I have mentioned in my previous blog post, I accidentally discovered options trading, and it turned out that much of what I am already using in terms of my daily scanner for day trading turns out that it could be implemented for options trading as well. So over the past few weeks I have been busy learning about options trading. Now, just to clarify, when I say options, I mean proper legitimate options, not those binary options that you often hear about when it comes to forex. So I have to find a broker that support this type of trade, and I have to learn how the platform works. Got to make sure that I can put my trades in, and then I opened a live account just last week, withdrew £5,000 from my live trading account, my day trading account, and move it on over to this broker here. So what we're looking at is a daily chart. So I've got daily chart on the Euro Japanese yen to the right. To the left is the weekly chart. This is what's just for me to do my top-down analysis. So what I'm doing now is that, and this is a test for me to see if it actually comes out the way that I've learned it to be. So my view is that this pair is going to struggle to continue going higher for whatever reason, and I want to place a trade so that I would benefit if price either goes sideways from here or if it falls down on this level. And the trade that I'm looking for, I just typed a note yesterday, is called a bear call spread. This video is mainly to show my day trading partner about how it actually works. I know if you've been reading my notes and we've talked about this, but there's nothing better than to actually show you how it works. This is the daily chart of Euro Japanese yen, and these two purple lines here represent the strikes that I'm looking at. I'll tell you later what these lines are in private. So what I'm doing is I'm putting in, this is my first order ticket. So 134.93, I'll round it up to 135. And the second strike is 129.18, so round it down to 129. Nice and easy to remember. So for a bear call spread, I'm going to buy one call out of the money and sell one call in the money. So this call here at 135, I'm going to buy that, and I'm going to sell this. So let's have a look. Using the smallest position size that I can for this broker, which is Saxo Capital Markets of Australia, and exercise method is going to be cash. So at the end of it, when the trade expires, I want all the profits and loss to be settled in cash instead of by spot. Spot is as if I put on the positions myself. So we're going to go cash. Today is Friday the 13th of October, so I'm going to choose an expiration day 1 month in the future. So 13th of November is the expiration day on both of them. The value date is just whatever the date that my profit and loss is going to be calculated by. This is done automatically by the broker. I don't have a say in this. Right, so we got that. This is going to be the out of the money call 135, and I want to be buying that. So let's go ahead and do that. Have I enabled live trading? Let's have a look. Okay, there we go. I don't know how to set a limit order for this, so for now we're just gonna have to enter using market order. So I'm gonna buy this call option and sell this call option, and the difference between those should be a credit. Well, let's see how it works. So there we go. So I bought a call 135. now I'm going to sell one. So just checking 129 enable. Let's wait for it go up to 406. Here we go. So that's the confirmation for the second position. So that's the premium I will receive. So I paid a premium to buy a call, out of the money call, and I receive premiums to sell one in the money call. That's the gist of it. Just to show you the position here. So we've got one long call, one short call, and one long call. Strikes 129, 130, 135. Expiration is on the 13th. And at the moment, because the transaction is not booked yet, but the total premiums that I receive is going to be £237.90. So that will come in the next few days, when that is settled, and then it will be credited into my account. And from that point onward, it's going to be all about trade management. Right. So to give you a little bit more idea about why I have decided to look into options, I have always been a very statistical kind of trader. I like my numbers, I like using statistics, and I also like to manage trade more so than to find and to enter trades. It has been my personality as a trader. And recently, when I discovered options trading, I realized that a lot of options trading is doing exactly just that. And in fact, with options trading, the direction of the trade almost makes no difference, because it relies more on implied volatility and also on position sizing and risk management. Implied volatility is not something that is present in forex. You can calculate that on stocks, on futures, but not on forex, or at least I don't know how it's calculated anyway. So going forward, I'm going to have to come up with my own approximation. So it's something I have to create all by myself to give me something that is comparable to implied volatility. Otherwise, I could be in trouble, because buying and selling options rely heavily on implied volatility. And to do it using simply price action is, I think it's suicidal. I'm only doing it for this trade as an example and just to see how it works. But going forward from now, I need to have that model up and running. So there you have it. This is a recording of my very first options trade. I did do live day trading this week. However, I recorded it on Thursday and nothing actually happened. None of my trades were triggered. There was nothing interesting happen at all. So instead of not doing a video, I figured I have to show something for progress, and the result is this video. Next week I'm gonna be off from trading again. My partner's parents have come over to Australia, and we're gonna take them to a little road trip around Western Australia. So unfortunately, as much as I like to trade, sometimes life gets in the way. The following week I should be able to trade the Thursday. Tuesdays and Wednesday I won't be able to, but the Thursday I should be able to. So that's it for me. This is my first options trading, and for my day trading partner, just let me know if you've read my notes, and then I can continue to update you on what I'm doing and all of this modeling that I'm doing. That's it for me. See you in 2 weeks time. Bye for now.